So I have here a lot of the equations that you need to know for AQA A-level physics. I tried to fit them all into one side of A5, but actually I had to put some on the back as well for the optional topics. Now you can buy these A5 versions in my online shop, or you can also print them out yourself, perhaps in A4 or even A3. So down here we've got a big A3 version, and if you have something like this yourself, you can add your own notes to it to help you remember the formulas, maybe some of the units that things are measured in and so on. So what I have here is I haven't got all of the mathematical equations given to you in the data book. I've just picked up some of the important ones to do with triangles and also spheres. Things like the circumference of a circle, you should remember that by now. I have a load of different data here, and this is stuff that you'll become familiar with the more questions you do. But I also have some of the things that you probably don't have to remember, but you need to know that you can refer to it. So we have different charges of quarks. We've got some of the energies of different things here. There's basically so much information there, and it's something that you can just refer to as you need it, maybe when you're looking at doing any questions. The other thing we have over here is by topic, I've got the equations that you need to remember. Now I've colour coded it, so maybe pink is anything to do with waves, red is anything to do with electricity, blue is forces in motion, and so on. And you'll notice that's the same as what you see on my video thumbnails and also on my website. Now the other thing with AQA is that you will be doing an optional topic as you go towards the end of year 13. And again, what I have here, you'll only need to know about one set of these equations, but these are the equations perhaps if you're doing astrophysics, perhaps if you're doing turning points or so on. So that is on basically one piece of paper, all of the equations that you need to be familiar with. And if you have one of these perhaps in the front of each of your folders for your teachers, perhaps you've got one on your desk at home, perhaps one in your school bag for emergencies, then this is a really easy way just to remind yourself of the equations that you need to understand and use when it comes to learning A-level physics. Thank you.